How to understand timeshares. For many of us, there are places that we love to stay that due to cost are out of reach. These include places like Las Vegas, Miami, and many resorts on either side of the US. Consider too that luxury resorts are free to set their prices based on demand and time of year, and you may wonder if you'll ever get the chance to stay in a particular area. You may have even thought about building your dream vacation home and been quickly brought down to reality when you saw the cost and time involved. So what is an aspiring debutant to do? After all, for a truly luxurious vacation, you could be expected to pay thousands, which still might be okay if it is just you and your spouse. But when you add children to the equations, then again the cost may be prohibitive. One solution is timeshare. Having said that, you might be reliving bad memories of long, hard shell type presentations, but consider a couple of things. First, buying from the developer is not your only option if you're interested in getting in. There are many timeshare resales available. You just need to do some research. In fact, there are probably some right in property you may be looking at. This of course means that you can purchase at sometimes a much lower price than what the developer is offering. However, before you do any of that, you should understand that you're getting yourself into. There are several different types of timeshares you can buy, and you need to understand them in order to pick the one best suited to you. This naturally is one main reason to stay to the end of the sales presentation. You just need to analyze things and not just get swayed by hype. One of the main type of timeshare is what is known as deed to own. This means that you in fact own the property until you decide to sell your timeshare. Another type is fixed week timeshare. In this case, you will have a set number of weeks during the year to pick from. The upside to this is that you'll always know when to plan your vacation. The downside, of course, is a lack of flexibility. If the thought of owning the property is a little bit much to take, you can opt for a leased version. This is the same in principle as leasing a car. You have it for a set number of years. You can also rent the property out as you can if you own it. For some, the idea of making the residual income makes this option the one to go for. There is also a rotating option as well, which is exactly as it sounds. It gives all owners the chance to use the property. Again, it is not flexible. So if this is a prime concern, you may wish to take a different option. Timeshares can be a great boon to those that are overworked, busy, and just don't want to deal with planning every step of their vacation. So long as you understand the types available and pick one that suits you and your family, you will find that it will be the best investment you could make. Brought to you by www.webuytimeshares.org.